You have to go to the gate before for the passport check-in. And then Miguel came back to me. He ran with his big brown eyes. He hugged me and he told me like, Mama, I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you too. I will see you in 3 weeks. He said, no, but I'm really going to miss you. What if the plane crashed? I said, the plane will not crash. And then hand in hand, they were walking to the gate. And he still sent me a text message on the plane to tell me, Mom, we are going to miss you a lot. And don't worry, because I will take care of him. I will take care of him. He's my baby. When I saw the body came, they treated with all respect, put it in the car and everything. I was just like, oh my God, this is reality. I will have my sons, they're gone.